friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Parler.com reviews. So friends, do watch this video till the end and stay tuned as we will share the salient features of this news. So friends, without any delays, let's get started. Parler is a social media platform which is similar to Twitter. But on this platform, everyone can speak freely and express themselves openly. This platform does not come with any free speech barriers, and anybody who uses this platform will not be deplatformed for their views. This platform is to engage with real people and not bots. As you can see that anybody who joins the platform can have real conversations with other people and share their life experiences. But nowadays Parler has been trending for some other reasons. So friends, let's know what are these reasons. But before, I would like to request you all to like this video, share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as this will boost our spirits to make more such informative videos and bring exciting news for you. So friends, now move further. Parler has been trending for a few days in the United States because as the election of the United States is coming closer, a lot of left-wing and right-wing people have moved on to Parler to express their views, since due to the election other social media platforms have removed hate speech and other guidelines have been strict. Due to this, a lot of people are moving to Parler in order to express their views and comment about their social media views. Friends, due to this, a lot of political agenda and political views from the right-wing users have been posted on Parler, and this has not been taken well by a lot of people. People have reacted to this poorly and want the platform Parler to further increase their privacy laws and other things about social media and free usage of speech. Because a lot of people who have posted about their inequalities and other problems which they have faced have received discrimination and even hate speech and hate symbols from the left wing and the right wing users. And this is why Parler is trending in the news. Friends, if you have any experience over Parler, then do comment about your Parler reviews in the comment sections below. A lot of people have taken up to other social media platforms to express their views about Parler and the discrimination which is going on this platform. Since this platform is all about free speech, the regularity and the irregularities on the platform are not being monitored, due to which a lot of people are not happy. And that is why this particular Parler platform has been in the news. Friends, I will request you all to kindly comment about your experiences if you have any on this platform. We read all your comments over every video, so please keep commenting. Please like this video, share this with your friends, and if you have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to our channel today. Be informed and be safe.